Soccer DBB number 656, and that is 3-box break of 2019 Prizm Premier League. Good luck, everybody. Snake draft. Everybody has 2 teams. Teams on the right. Good luck. After that, we try to fill the pick a player case number 2. Here we go, first box, guys. Good luck. We got Matic for Man United, Hyper. We got multi of Joel Ward for Crystal Palace. We got Anthony Martial, purple for Manchester United. Next up is Xhaka for Arsenal and Pedro for Chelsea, a red to 149. Oh, looks like we got a gold auto, guys. Gold auto coming. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Let's see these here first. Alright, let's see. Oh, emergent is Hudson-Odoi. That's important. Alright, gold autograph, it looks like. Yep. I think it is an auto. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Let's see. Is this upside down? No. Here we go. Wow, it's Arsenal. Really? Wow. Thierry Henry. Right into my face. Gold auto. Very nice. Congrats, Sergio. 7 out of 10. Boom. Alright, next up, we got Michael Keane and Tom Heaton for Burnley to 149. Alisson Hyper. We got Ross Barkley and Danny Ings for Southampton to 199. James Chester, and we got Ian Rush. Hyper. We have West Ham, Felipe Anderson and Tom Cleverley. We got Felipe Anderson and Prizm and Adam Smith for Bournemouth to 75. We got Xhaka multi and Vrancic Hyper. We got Almiron and Willian to 199. Alright, that was the first box. Nice one there. Alright, here we go. Next up. Oops, sorry. Alright, box number 2. Good luck. So we got Balbuena Hyper. We have the autograph coming behind Luka Modric. We got Palace Wayne Hennessy and Richarlison for Everton Hyper. We got Juan Mata Multi and Guendouzi Blue to 199. Nathan Ake and John Stones Purple to 99 for City. Next up, we got Harry Kane and a red George Baldock for Sheffield to 149. We got a hit coming after that. Callum Hudson-Odoi Prizm Silver, nice one there for Chelsea. And Callum Hudson-Odoi, wow, Emergent Silver Prizm, also nice. We got Steve Cook and Blue Ice to 75 Jack O'Connell for Sheffield. We got John Joe Shelby Multi and Robert Snodgrass. Alright, next up we got Zimmerman Prizm and Dwight McNeil Hyper. Bissouma and Hyper of David Silva. Alright, let's see this one here first. We got Sinchenko Multi and autograph Jagielka for Everton. And Nicole Phil Jagielka. And another hit. Another gold? Wow, another gold, guys. Let's see, good luck. How about Diogo Jota for Wolverhampton? Very nice. Wolves. Is Nicole as well. Very nice. Alright. Box number 2. Number 3, sorry. Oh, I'm sure we can work something out, Sergio, right? So it's a perfect trade for Barnes. Alright, here we go, last box. Let's see, we got Koscielny and purple is John Egan for Sheffield. Alright, we got multi of Calvert-Lewin. And here's the hit coming. Oh, it looks like Manchester City with that blue. That sucks that you can see it on the back, which team color it is. McNeil. Hyper is Son. We have Pulisic, multi for Chelsea, and blue for Man U, Luke Shaw. Next up, we got Jacob Murphy and Alexis Sanchez for Man U to 25. Orange. We got Romeo for Southampton multi and Fernandinho for City Hyper. And we got another hit coming. Looks like an insert maybe. Alright, let's see. We got Norwich Fireworks and Sissoko for Tottenham to 99 purple. We got Prizm of Alisson and Fireworks Prizm of Gylfi Sigurdsson for Everton. We have Dennis Bergkamp insert and Hyper of Diop. Willy Bolly, Prizm, and silver is Ross Barkley for Chelsea. Alright, on to the last hits here. Guys, if interested, we can do another one. Another 3-box break. I had 3 loose boxes, so wow, we got a power gold coming, guys. Out of 3 boxes. That is sick. Alright, multi is Serge Aurier, and the hit autograph is John Stones for City. And a power gold as well. Wow. Power gold coming. Sick. That is very nice. Fireworks, and here we go. Looks blue, looks Man City, looks Laporte. Manchester City Thorpe. Wow. Manchester City Thorpe. Laporte, number 5, power gold. Very nice. Congrats. Really nice 2 and 3 boxes I got there. Wow. That does it for the break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. I'm out. Peace.